Hello Pisces, this is your quick oracle reading gamit natin ang affirmation of the fairy cats. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. So your card for now is the card of music. They said that music heals the soul and the music is actually the universal language. Now, right now, allow yourself to flow in the music of the universe. Are you really dancing doon sa proper music? Kasi some of you guys, you are in the wrong place but you're in the right time. Remember that your value is determined in where you are. Tulad na isang basyo ng tubig, kung 10 piso to sa may vendor, pero pagdating sa airport, pumapalo to na 60 pesos, know your value. Know where you should be. You need to know that if yung sinasayaw mo, yung ginagalaw mo, is applicable pa ba doon sa location or sa music na pinatugtog ng universe para sa'yo. So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo and I'll see you on the next video.